Alright, I found some carpenter bees outside of my house. I made a trap the other day like this. I drilled about a 3/4 inch hole, a little fatter. This is 7/8 hole up inside of a 4-inch long chunk of 4x4. Then I drill another hole that's the size of a cap from a Gatorade bottle that I have several of. And then I drill a hole at a steep angle, about a 50-degree angle or so, just kind of fairly steep angle. And I started out straight so it's easy to get started, and then angle my drill bit and drill a hole in so that I'm meeting, see if you can see this, so that I'm meeting inside of that hole there. And that way light doesn't travel in through here. So what happens is they crawl up in the hole, and then they see the light in the bottle. They fly down toward that light, then they can't fly out of the bottle. I have so far caught 2 carpenter bees in the 2 traps that I have, and it was right near a spot in my eaves. So anyway, then what I'll do is I'll glue the cap in here, and that way you can unscrew the bottle to empty it when you need to, or just put a new bottle on. So now I put some thick CA glue down in here, and then what I'll be doing, spraying some activator on here and dropping this into the hole. A little bit of contact. Then I'll take this out and I'll drill a hole in this cap that's the size of the hole on the inside, that 7/8 inch hole. Well, I'll probably do this one, yeah, 7/8. I'll just drill that out the same size. Then the bottle can screw on, and you've got yourself a Carpenter Bee Trap. There it is, with the hole drilled through it. Now I'll put a little eye hook right there, and then this can be hung from an eave or somewhere to attract carpenter bees. I think I'm going to gift this one to my neighbors because I noticed they have some flying around their house.